Hello! If you are seeing this, it is because you are a member of México Destination Club. Today, we will show you how to book a room at Hotel Xcaret México. First, go to www.mexicodestinationclub.com. Click on the Member Access button located at the top of the page. Enter your username and password. Then click on the Reserve button. Next, a menu will be displayed where you must enter the benefits, suites, and dates required. You can also download the season calendar and user guide. Once the data has been entered, the available options will be displayed. Once your option is selected, you can choose the rooms of your choice and then compare them with each other. When selecting the room of your choice, a form will be displayed where you must enter your data. The mandatory data is indicated with a black arrow on the left side. Your reservation details are shown at the top. Once the data has been entered, click on Confirm Reservation. If the data and payment are correct, a confirmation page will be displayed. You will also receive an email to the address you entered in the form. It's important that you print it for any clarification. And ready! It's that easy to book your dream vacation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.